Hey guys, it's Matthew here from Hearing Tracker, keeping you up to date with all new hearing aid technology. Today's quick guide is covering how to pair your ReSound Omnia hearing aids to your iPhone in 3 easy steps. If you're keen on keeping up to date with the latest news in the hearing technology world, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel, press that grey notifications bell, and you'll be updated every time we release a new video. First, you need to open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you come across Accessibility. After you've clicked there, continue down and you'll come across the Hearing Devices menu. Click into that next. Second of all, you need to put the hearing aids into a pairing mode. To do this, simply turn the hearing aids off and turn them on again. If you have the battery version, this is done by opening and closing the battery door. Or if you have the rechargeable version, you can put them in the charger and take them out again. This is the third and final step. Your name should now appear on screen along with the model of your hearing aids. If you have 2 hearing aids, you'll see an R plus L standing for right plus left. If you have a single hearing aid for the right ear, you'll see an R, or just a left hearing aid, you'll see an L. When you see your setup appear, click on your name and you'll be prompted to pair. This will happen twice if you're wearing 2 hearing aids. It's as easy as that. So that's you paired with your phone, which will now allow for streaming. I hope that you found this video useful, guys. If you have any questions or queries or even any problems, drop them in the comments beneath this video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so. I'll see you in the next video.